no white top coat. I will go it on the top of all the unclear condensed glue gel. I did apply the condensed glue gels earlier. If you're first time tuning in to Glitz Accessories and Such live videos, welcome. So I'm gonna cap this, completely coat this with the top coat. And there's a top coat just for your information. Let me see if I want to do something different. I've put different colors on it. Hmm? Thank you, Connie. This one you mean? This one is the one I built structure on it. And I shaped that really precise coffins. Thank you so much. I like it too. So nice, sweet of you. This one, you mean, or this one? This one is the one that is I'm using the mixed colors. I'm really obsessed with this. Look at that, it has so many different colors in here. Keep doing it now with different colors of that is come in your kits, your mixed colors. But also if you like want to get scattered by itself, I believe it is the number 137, like mega mix, I think. My press on nails. The right hand is a press on nails.
Did you shape that?
Yes, and then kind of nose is come in really nice shape already. It's coffin, so you basically don't have to really like do so much. You can precise it again and shape it again, like if it come with the coffins, and then you can also doing it almond shape. I mean right hand, this one, my right hand, right? I'll wipe it up. Oh, I really like this. Like, what is that? It's all colorful. So excited. I really want one more over here. Okay, I found the color. And make it like all mixed colors. So satisfied. Should we do gold or should we do silver? Okay, So I'm gonna using my precision glue again. And I'm gonna do it right here. Where is, if I forget that. Put some crystals on it. Oh, I didn't use any beads today. Looks good. I have 2 of them. I want to use 1 bead in there. Hold on. So I fill into any gaps if I want to make it looks like really fill completely in. For all of you doing the clients and they don't want any crystals on it, it's totally fine. You can top coat their nails. But you know what? Be honest, most of the clients want 3D. They always want something on it with the 3D. So this nail is super cute. I'm gonna wipe it up on the side. But I feel it's so I really want to put some chains on that one. Fusion ings right, precision glue just quick, because remember that I didn't have it on. So that's how is your precision glue comes super freaking handy, because it's really allow me to do a lot of things that I don't have to go back to condensed glue gels, because I'm placing some smaller crystals here. I'm hunting a little one, and I'm using a lot of little ones, so that's why you're steaming finding. Okay, great. I'm gonna cure this first. And then we're gonna precision glue both of them. Great.